Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Jailbreak and I'm going to be a prisoner. Confirm. And let's play. Sorry, I just pushed the mic over. I don't know why I did that. Why am I gray? I don't even know. But I saw in the title it said motorcycles. So I'm gonna see what that's all about. So first let's go over here and get out of prison. Okay, I'm finally turning to look normal. I'm not colored yet, or the colors yet. That sounded so weird. I can't even crawl. There we go. Where are the motorcycles at? Where are the motorcycles at? Ooh. Ooh. Get in this car. Lock it. Unlock. Okay, gotta run, gotta run. No, he got me. I'm gonna get your key card even though I wouldn't have it. Let's get out of this place. Come on, let's go. Let's go, people. How do I have $8,000? Last time I came in, I had like 4,000. I don't even know what happened, but that's good. Oh, I gotta open my case up. Let's see what it says. Skip it. Orange. Why do you have like a million of those? I get those every time. Ooh. See if I can get the key card from him. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. You ain't gonna get me, guest. How'd the guest get him? He's a guest. Oh yeah. I got the key card. Gotta get out of here. Oh, it's a little laggy. Okay. Now it's not that much anymore. It's not too bad. Oh, there we go. Yay! No! No! Gotta get in. Gotta lock it. Gotta get out of here. Yeah, we're out. Let me turn the sound up a little bit. Oh, can't. I don't know why. Just can't. Okay. Oh, yeah, I can hear something. Hear that? Oh. Okay. Let's keep on going out. Oh, gosh, I just wrecked. I'm the master at driving cars. Have you seen me driving a car? Pro skills up in here. Okay. Oh, that's a little loud. Let me turn that down a little bit. Okay, there you go. Oh, I don't know how loud that is for you. I'll see you after I'm done with the video, though. Okay. Let's turn in here. Hello. Hello, peoples. What if they drop the price of the Lamborghini? That'd be awesome. I wish I could get it, but I don't have enough money right now. Oh, didn't get that one. Gotta get that one too. Okay. I'm gonna get one of the prisoner cars because I think they're a little bit cooler than the cop cars. Lock that car. Hold up. Not gonna go out there. I'm gonna go out over here. I wonder if another one was respawn. because it's like halfway off. I don't know. Nope. Don't look like it. Okay. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Here we go. That's cool. I like that. Turn the lights on. No, I almost fell in the river there. That would have been bad. Okay. Oh, you can hear the crickets. Watch this. Boom. I'm just kidding. It didn't do anything. What is that? Oh, there's a motorcycle. There's a motorcycle. I just saw that and I was like, motorcycle. Please make it not cost money. 35,000? I don't have that. No. It does cost money. That's not good. I guess we can't ride a motorcycle. I'll probably I'll probably save up on this game to get 35,000, and I'm gonna get that motorcycle. I'm gonna get it one day. Okay. Let's see what's happening up in here. No tank. So let's keep looking. There's another motorcycle right there. Wait, was that the same way? I'm just going the same way? Hope not. See, look, I'm like perfectly in the middle. No, I'm not. Oh no. There's not another car coming from the other way. It would have hit me. Oh gosh. Yep, I just made a big circle. Oh, golly. Wait, what did he say? Hacked? What? Where'd he go? He disappeared. He disappeared. He's gone. He's not there. What happened? Oh, gotta keep going this way. Okay, now let's go in the city. Okay, we're going in the city. We're in the city now. I went a weird way because I wanted to get. Oh gosh. Press V. There we go. Press V. There we go. Gotta back up again. Let's pick a color for my car. Oh, that was like sharp. I want that one. I want. That's it. Hold on. Green. No. Not it. I want that. And then body color. Wait, I already have this on my body, so let's go. I just gotta back out of here. Good. Ugh. What's happening? Okay, here we go. Back out. Oh, why am I doing this? Okay, there we go. Let's keep going over here. See what's over here. Oh my. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. Make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!